When you are down in the mud, struggling, many people does not want to help you. When you are down in the mud, struggling, many people see you as ugly. When you are down in the mud, struggling, many people scorn you. When you are down in the mud, struggling, many people does not want to be your friends. But the moment you got out of that mud, clean yourself up, change your life, and that light start to shine on you, and you started to accumulate lots of material stuff, lot of wealth, then the same people who didn't want to pull you out of that mud now start to draw close to you. The same people who used to scorn you now want to mingle with you. The same people who saw you ugly now seeing you handsome and beautiful. The same people who didn't want to be your friends now want to be your friends. How much more deceitful and fake can some human beings be?